Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be playing as Bentley. Holland Operation, Day 2. So Bentley has a number of missions to complete, and we're going to do the mission Giant Wolf Massacre right now. Right? Let me see something. I don't put anything. Okay. Oh. Right. Almost there. Boom. And as you guys can see, it's morning here, daytime, for this episode. The Aces semifinals is done, and now we're on to the finals.
You plan on stalking that thing, drugging it, putting the guru on board, and setting the two free to smash up the guards?
An airtight plan, I agree. It's simplicity itself. By channeling the wild destruction housed in that bloodthirsty creature, we should be able to thin out the Black Baron's ranks. Which, of course, means fewer enemy pilots flying against you in the finals.
I'm all for evening the odds in our favor, but come on. This plan seems a little risky.
Not at all. I've modified my sleep darts with heavy doses of skunk bulb. It should be enough to pacify the beast, provided he doesn't catch wind of me first.
All right, that sounds okay. You can hang back and shoot him at a distance.
Well, given the weight of the darts, I'll need to sneak up behind him and take a shot within a few meters.
Meters?
Quit trying to freak me out and put the guru on the binocular. After I put the wolf to sleep, it'll be up to you. Thanks, Guru. You always know just what to say.
Alright. So we gotta sleep dart this wolf, and then after that, the guru will take control to attack some of these pilots so we have less competition for the finals. So let's get to it. Alright, we have to go behind him. Perfect. Oh, now run. Alright. Alright. 3 more. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Alright. Oh my lord. I got hit like crazy. Alright, I gotta be near this edge. He won't catch me now. Punk. Where is he?
Nice.
Oh my. That was wild. Alright.
No impact. Get within a few meters behind the wolf, then fire. Otherwise, the darts just bounce off.
Alright. This is the perfect spot. He can't catch me up here.
Good shot. Nice one, Bentley.
That's 2.
Got
3. 1 more. Last one. There we go.
15, Hunter. The skunk bomb is
So when you're on a ledge, it makes it so much easier.
Guru, you're up. You should be able to possess the giant wolf now that he's out.
Alright. Alright.
Hold down these thugs.
Let's get rid of some of these guards. Dang. Alright, I'll get him later.
Keep it up. That's 10 fewer pilots in the finals tomorrow.
Five more.
Just 3 more to go. 2 more, we're set. 1 more pilot, and it's a done deal.
There we go. That's the last one.
Excellent. That should even the odds tomorrow in the finals.